Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Microsoft Edge high CPU usage issue in Windows 11, 10. First method is open Microsoft Edge. Type edge //settings/system. Turn off all settings under System. Second method is open Microsoft Edge. Click three dots, click Settings. Click Clear now. Third method is open Microsoft Edge. Turn on Improve your PC gaming experience with efficiency mode. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.